check my new stickers out.
Alright folks, today Maddie's going to update her YouTube channel sticker board. Check that out. This is board number 1 right here. We'll show it closer here in a minute. We're going to get out board number 2. Can you believe that? These people send her a sticker. People I'm still connected to on YouTube after all these years. This started in 2016. Let's go through them real quick. Texas Bow Hunter, Harmon Heat, Brad's Workbench. He passed away. The Bobcat Guy. Those are all his stickers. Great Place to Eat. Lone Star Rider. I talk with Justin Survival Mindset every once in a while. Hodgepodge Garage just moved 2 hours that away. He was down in Galveston. We got over here Texas Viking. Hold on, we're getting over to it. Back over. Signs by Randy makes the Papa Texas sign. Buzz, Gators World, Spongy. It's my cousin. Darren Sharon, Uncle Steve Shake, Strong's Adventures, Mudnut 59. Jay Landa passed away with COVID-19 last year. Get Stick. Sometimes Our Life. Jack's Drinkwater. I'm meeting Jack's Drinkwater next month, and he's letting my family stay in his second home, which is a cottage down in Mobile, Alabama.
Wait, that's who?
Yeah, the one with the goatee.
Oh, yeah.
Goatee. This is from Justin. His son's in the Navy, I believe. Ichiban Moto. We just did a unboxing with Ichiban Moto. Oh. Yeah, I can't see that game. Ichiban Moto. And over here, Aubrey put that on years ago upside down. That's the Bobcat Guy. Again, I'm going to come closer in for y'all and give y'all the handy camper. Calvin's Corner. I still see him on Instagram. Lone Star Rider again. A-OK Foraging and Adventures. Camped with a few of these people. Lollapalooza. American Piddler. So on this video, Happy's Corner. But anyway, all these are my buddies. I talk with Sue Pyro every once in a while.
I thought it was a Calvin.
Hadn't seen him in a long time. I don't even think he's made videos in a while. He comes and goes. I go to Bubba's garage every once in a while. So this is our older board. This is her board, not my board. I got 3 boards, and I'm going to get these new mail calls out. We're going to go with her newer board. Out on the newer board, and we'll come in closer. You can skip this. I'm going to leave chapters or whatever you call it down below, so you know when it's the point in time that we zoom in on the video, and you can just go down there in the description, click on that, and go on to that. She's fixing to put a whole bunch more on. We'll leave that timestamp also. We got Saucy the Towboat Chef, Tim the creative outdoorsman, the Dan Van. Yeah, check out the Dan Van. He's traveling all over the place. The Old Farmer's Wife, Hike With Me, Redneck Renegade, Gallery Backyard Barbecue, Neil over No Legs, No Problem TV, Nomadic Fanatic Eric. So Eric and I, we've camped together a few times. We partnered up, and we were the team together to play cornhole. 2 years in a row, we won every single game. Last year, we each teamed up with someone different. My team won. Yeah, what does that tell you about Eric? No, I'm kidding. Eric's a cool dude. Lollapalooza. Gypsy Pear. Yeah. A lot of these people, we were all camping together, and we went out early for the family to be with me, and yeah, Gypsy Pear, they happened to be there early, and so they got to meet my family and everything like that. There's Papa Texas. He's a great guy. You need to go check out Papa Texas channel. Strong's Adventures again, my buddy Billy and Rhonda. Badge. And there's Papa Texas, and there's Billy, and there's Papa Texas and Maddie. RV Rebel Girl. She has actually been my next door neighbor camping like twice. She's got this big old screen, and she sets up and plays movies and stuff at night. It's really cool. That's what we have, and we're fixing to add to it. I think what we're going to do is I'm going to let you add to it, and then I'll get the camera over here and we'll explain to you the new people we're putting on there, kind of what we just did here. Stay tuned and we'll be right back so you don't have to spend time watching her take the sticker off and put it on the board. All right, be right back.
Check my new stickers out.
Hey, awesome, Maddie. Check that out. These are her new stickers on her board. Let's just look at the whole thing one more time. This is her second board. We even have a third board in there for you someday. All these people are awesome. They've sent 2 stickers. Some of them even have notes talking to Maddie and stuff. And we got Gators World, Nomadic Fanatic. I think that's Meat Cranium. He's got a different name now. There's Jason, Easy Bake, G. Weber. The camping chick, yeah, she camped across from us one time, and she brought us some breakfast. She is extremely nice. Cooks good too. Yeah, full tiny house. Yeah, and do you know that traveling with them is that dog from what was it called? Men in Black. Yeah, if you run into them, be sure and talk to Bandit. Yeah, I think we talked about that already, Dan. Craig, Behind the Garage Barbecue. Yeah. And that's, we'll come back to that one. Beer Champ Barbecue. Yeah, he cooks out in that shanty. Yes, he does. He sent me a t-shirt. How about that? The Cooking Cop and Babe. That's Josh and Babe. Josh and... Gosh, darn it. It's slipping my mind. I'm sorry. Josh and Babe, and he just went through a lot of chemo. God bless you. Keep healing, brother. Keep that hair growing, okay? Bethany, yeah, out in California. He's a sheriff. She cuts hair. Yeah. All right, this is Cutting Stuff Barbecue. Another cop. Yeah, Drive Shaft Drew, and she put a few extra little stickers around of Canada stuff. Got that going on over there. She's got the Strong's Adventures. That's Billy and Rhonda. Christmas picture finally put on in May. Yeah, Danny over at TND. TND Stalker Outdoors. You want to see some Uncle Steve Shake cooking? There's your guy right there. There you. Oh, I don't even think I mentioned Deborah Dickinson before. Yeah, she's pretty cool. Met her, camped out a little bit. Kent over at Daddy Dutch Barbecue. Yeah. Barbecue cooker contest winner with, where's that? Uncle Steve Shake. You're not putting Uncle Steve Shake on this one? All right, folks. That's what we have for you. It's Papa Texas. I'm going to have some more mail calls coming up. We got mail call. We got a lot of mail in there. We're going to get this thing over with. All right, y'all stay blessed. See ya.